Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, I did tell you that I will probably do a video, record another video when the market opens, because I am getting a little bit worried here about silver. We want to talk about it. And let me take out that trend line here and tidy this up a little bit. And then we want to talk about why I'm getting a little bit worried. I explained it in the last video. At the moment, we could still go with the idea that this here from the August low was a wave 1 in 5 waves. Okay, the move down was a wave 2, and we could have started a larger degree third wave. In this case, this move up gets quite long now. It really does. Yeah, actually, from a wave count point of view, to really get the next 5 wave move as per the yellow scenario, I'd like to get another 4-5 pattern, 4-5. This would be ideal. I mean, the price is already pushed a little bit higher, so I need to adjust the support region just slightly, and I will have to do that as long as the price is pushing higher. This is not a fixed support zone yet between $29.50 and $30.28. It will move higher with the price. The thing is, this is getting so long that it has the look, it starts to have the look of an ABC structure. And if I'm not mistaken, I did mention that in the last update. So what I will do now, just to explain that you have to change the wave degrees here a little bit. That's why I'm getting concerned. I will take out the lower support area as well. We don't need it. I'll tidy this up a bit. I'll take the resistance area out as well. It looks very bullish, absolutely, and I am bullish overall on silver. My concern is simply due to the length of this move up. Whenever we're looking at a structure like that, which could be a B wave, and the first move up, well, it has a certain length, and the last move up, like the next move up, yeah, has the same length as the first one. It just has this corrective look. While it then looks quite bullish visually, it actually is high risk. That's one of those counterintuitive things. What we can do from that August low, we can label this wave A, I can label the decline wave B, and this here could be a C wave move up. Let me change the wave degree so it fits. So instead of saying a larger low was in place here, it was only the A wave low. And this was an A, B, and then this is a C wave rally, which could then, when finished, lead to a decline in circle C. Which, I mean, again, it would simply delay the rally in my view. It would not be bearish. It would just mean that we might get another test, probably, depending on how high this B wave goes, but probably just of this sort of August low area, which was around $26. Now, I will not confirm that as long as we are in an uptrend, because trend is up, okay? And I give you a support area against which the trend is up. So momentum is up. We have to wait for the momentum to break first. And I will give you now a level at which we could clearly get rejected. Because if this is an A wave up, the decline is a B wave, then the 100% extension level will be absolute key, and that is at $31.62. We're not there yet, and we don't always get there exactly, but we could do, and it's a level to watch because also the previous swing high from July. So that means even if this is white wave C of B, we could get another 4-5 patterns. Pretty much the micro count is the same for both. Yellow count is bullish because the yellow count, it could lead to another 1-2 setup. So I could say, okay, this here might be another wave 1. Yeah? 1-2, 1-2. So we might get another wave 2 afterwards. So that would be definitely something I would check first once we have a top in place. So once we have a top of sorts in place, whether that's white wave B or it's yellow wave 1, I'm going to first check if the decline is wave 2. Because this will be tested first. It will be invalidated first. If that breaks, then it's clear we're probably going to test the August low area. And when do we know that we have a top of sorts in place? Well, we have a top of sorts in place when the support area, the initial support area breaks. So it requires a break below $29.50 to, in my view, in my opinion, confirm that a top of sorts is in place, and then we can watch. We have to look at the structure then of the decline. If it's corrective, it's likely wave 2. If it's impulsive, it's likely wave C in white. But both would eventually lead to rising prices, either from here or from down here. That means at the moment, the trend is up in the very short term. Pay attention to $31.62 next as next resistance. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.